Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and making the first connection. Open your client and enter host, port 3306, user, password, and database. This authenticates you so query is run where the data lives. Once connected, inspect the schema with show databases and use database name to scope work. Make sure to check permissions. Lack of select or insert rights will stop you. This step removes guesswork. You want a live session ready to accept SQL statements and return results immediately. You now write the actual SQL and pay attention to intent and performance. Start with select specific columns rather than select asterisk to reduce I/O. Add where filters and limit for quick tests. When combining tables, use join with on conditions to avoid accidental Cartesian products. Once done, test each join individually. Use explain to see how my SQL plans execution, and add indexes on columns used in where and join to improve speed. Commit complex transforms. You finish by making changes durable and checking for issues. Use transactions for multiple writes so you can roll back on failure. Once committed, verify data with targeted select. If a query is slow, run explain, add or adjust indexes, and consider refactoring subqueries to joins or temporary tables. If something goes wrong, check syntax first, then user privileges and server error logs. If connections fail, confirm max connections and firewall rules. A single troubleshooting tip. Inspect the error message and explain output. That usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.